Prashant Kishore, the man with multiple tasks. Prashant Kishore, who was a government servant, who worked in United Nations, then he came back to India as a political strategist, worked with Narendra Modi, Mamta Banerjee, Arvind Kejriwal, and many more. Especially with Jagan Mohan Reddy, his campaign was uh, much more successful in the state of Andhra Pradesh. But Prashant Kishore today wants to become the politician. But from political strategist to politician, he is campaigning in Bihar, hoping for the goodwill of Bihar, giving lot of bright, active speeches, which will be understood by the rural Bihar peoples. I think the Prashant Kishore is the best orator I have seen, that may be in Hindi language, English language, or Bhojpuri language, which is mainly speak in Uttar Pradesh and in Bihar. So Prashant Kishore is matching with the culture, with the aura of Bihari people. Bihar, which is the most backward state of India, which is in big financial crisis always. Bihar is called as the poorest state. People in Bihar are not getting meal. People in Bihar are suffering from lot of issues, but still there is hope that someone like Prashant Kishore will bring a good days in the state of Bihar for the common people of Bihar, because the way he speaks, because the way he is connecting with the people by Padyatra or by Bihar Badalav Yatra, which he is doing uh, nowadays, and his way to adjust with Bihari culture and to adjust with the common people of Bihar. It's something which everyone is praising for him, because he is relevantly active in the politics of Bihar, taking on Tejasvi Yadav, calling him as the ninth failed leader, and also calling Nitish Kumar as a tired leader who is the old man now and he is not able to run Bihar in a proper way. He is not having that ability to work for the common people of Bihar. He is mentally tired. On another side, lightly or heavily, whatever you are thinking, you must think about that. He is taking on Bharatiya Janata Party also. He is saying that Bharatiya Janata Party has not done anything for people of Bihar. Bharatiya Janata Party is just using Nitish Kumar for his means. Prashant Kishore is also saying that Lalu Prasad Yadav has used the common people of Bihar just for his own will, just for his own power. And Congress is using Lalu Prasad Yadav and the party of Lalu Prasad Yadav to gain power in the center, because Lalu Prasad Yadav was getting much more member of parliament from the state of Bihar, and Lalu Yadav was a much more powerful politician in the state of Bihar. And in that era, just Congress used Lalu Prasad Yadav for gaining the power at the center. So no one has done something good for Bihar. Not Congress, who have ruled Bihar before Lalu Prasad Yadav era, or not even Lalu Prasad Yadav himself, not even Nitish Kumar. Lalu Prasad Yadav don't think about Yadav community, he just think about his sons. He just think about Tejasvi Yadav. He is a good father because he wants that his child, his son Tejasvi should become the chief minister of Bihar. He wants to make his son the king of Bihar, but he don't want a welfare schemes for the common Yadavi people. That what's the Prashant Kishore is even targeting Lalu Prasad Yadav also. Lalu Prasad Yadav is in today's era, if we see, he is not that much active in the politics of Bihar, but he is the senior most leader of Bihar. And Prashant Kishore is not hesitating to take on Narendra Modi also. Chini mill, which he sugar factory, in Hindi it is called as a chini mill. Narendra Modi had just given the assurance to the people of Bihar that he will start the sugar factory in Bihar, but he was not able to start it. So Prashant Kishore is gaining ground in the state of Bihar, and also the people are political expert especially, are saying that he can contest the election from Raghavpur, where Tejasvi Yadav is the running MLA at the present, and it will be Tejasvi versus Prashant Kishore in Raghavpur Legislative Assembly, which will be the most highlighted contest in the state of Bihar, and it will attract whole Bihari people towards Raghavpur, who is going to win Raghavpur, because Tejasvi Yadav will be the chief minister candidate from India Alliance in Bihar, and Prashant Kishore is the biggest face of Jan Suraj party, which he himself launched a few years ago. From NDA Alliance, it will be Nitish Kumar, Samrat Chaudhary. People of BJP are saying that Samrat Chaudhary can become the chief minister of Bihar, and Narendra Modi knows the importance of Nitish Kumar in the politics of Bihar. So whatever Narendra Modi and Amit Shah will decide, it can happen in Bihar. But if JDU Janata Dal United became successful to win many more seats, then it will be very hard task for Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, and Bharatiya Janata Party's national leadership, and also for the state leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party to cross Nitish Kumar. What do you think about the politics of Bihar? What do you think about Nitish Kumar? What do you think about Tejasvi Yadav? Two more leaders to talk. I think Kanhaiya Kumar is one of them. Kanhaiya Kumar, who is highly influential leader in giving a bright speeches, who is highly influential leader in giving a critical speeches. He is a critical talkative person. He is a very fine and partially a clean politician in the eyes of common people of Bihar, Kanhaiya Kumar, but he is not able to take Tejasvi Yadav, and he was not able to share a seat in the four-wheeler of Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav when they were doing a Bharat Jodo Yatra. Another leader, I think, Chirag Paswan, who is a central minister, and his party has a large base in some region of Bihar. He has a 5 member of parliament, and Chirag Paswan is saying that the common people of Bihar is calling me. Tejasvi Yadav from another side is saying that Chirag Paswan want to become the chief minister of Bihar, but the common people of Bihar hate him. Common people of Bihar don't like him. No one is asking him. So he is a very invaluable politician in the state of Bihar. That's what Tejasvi Yadav speaks about Chirag Paswan. Chirag Paswan and Tejasvi Yadav, both Paswan and Yadav family have their own family relationship, but politically they are having a different thoughts. They are working with a different kind of people. Chirag Paswan, who is important leader in the NDA alliance, especially in the state of Bihar, and Tejasvi Yadav, who is the leader of India alliance in the state of Bihar. So what do you think about the politics of Bihar in detail? What do you think about Prashant Kishore especially? Just comment below. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.